Hi, this your girl Cynthia 35694 coming to you today with another song by Miss Ethel James. The title of this song is called Church Bells. Okay, I'm going to give this song the best that I can. I told you this month I feel a little bluesy. So I'm going to be bringing some Billie Holiday, some more of Miss Ethel James. I'm just going to bring different artists that sings blues. And I'm going to give it the best that I can. So I'm going to do, right now I'm going to do Miss Ethel James song entitled Church Bells. Okay, so leave a comment in the box. I appreciate it. I heard church bell ringing. A choir singing. I saw my love walk down the aisle. On her finger he placed a ring. Oh, 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 I saw them holding hands. She was standing there with my man. I heard them promise to death do us part. Each word was a pain in my heart. All I could do was cry. Was crying. And now the wedding is over. Rice has been thrown over their heads. For them life has just begun, but for mine is ending. All I could do was cry. All I could do was cry. I was losing the man that I love, and all I could do was cry. All I could do was cry. All I could do was cry. Thanks. Okay. See you later. This is Cynthia 35694 from YouTube.